Hey there guys, it's Shaq from Shaqtech here, and I have a new package. Let's check it out. Big shout out to 545. They are a local watch shop here in New Zealand, Wellington. If you're in New Zealand or even worldwide and you want a good reliable place to buy watches or even see a really interesting catalogue of watches, definitely recommend checking out 545 online. They have a really cool bunch of pre-owned watches and brand new watches as well. But getting into this, for those of you that may not know, I have, I guess, a big hobby and passion for watches and collecting watches, and so this package just came in for a new watch, and I thought why not unbox it with you guys and we can take a look at it. So let's open up this nice little paper bag that 545 wrapped it up in for us and pull out the box, and there we have it. So you can probably already see what kind of brand of watch this is. Comment down below if you can guess what kind of watch this is. Let's turn it around, open the box like so, and take the inside box watch out. There you go, the lovely Seiko branding. I'll show you a whole bunch of goodies that also came along with this at the end of the video. I wasn't expecting those to come along as well. So Seiko unboxings are pretty straightforward. The boxes themselves are pretty simple compared to some of the other watch brands. And there we go. You can see the watch itself. So this is the Speedtimer Seiko Pogue 2024 edition watch. Beautiful. This is brand new as well. Not used. I did take off the tape and whatnot before the video, so I didn't have to do it on here. But nice, lovely chronograph. The Speedtimer. The colorway really sang to me, so I had to get that. The box itself is real simple. You get your watch on a nice little pillow, and you get a cleaning cloth as well. So yeah, the watch itself, beautiful yellow sunburst dial with 3 black subdials. The black subdials are actually there with a purpose. They're somewhat translucent to allow for the solar charging, as this watch is using Seiko solar charge quartz movement, as opposed to the automatic movement that was used in the original Pogue. So you can see there's quite a few subtle differences here. Underneath you have a solid case back, nothing too fancy there. You've got your regular Seiko clasp here, and bangle. So I haven't worn this watch yet, I literally just got it, so I can't really comment on how this bracelet will wear a long time, but so far it feels quite nice. And if you already own a Seiko 5 diver watch, which also comes with this very similar bracelet, it might be the exact same one, you know, it's actually quite a decent bracelet and it feels nice in the hand and does the job. We have pull out crown, pushers for both our movements on our subdials. One of the really cool things is you'll see there is a power meter in the bottom subdial, which is really cool to see how much charge you've got and how well the battery's passing on. You've got your Pepsi bezel, lovely Pepsi bezel. It is an aluminum ring, as just like the original Pogue 2024. I mean, like the original Pogue. The original Pogue, of course, was an automatic watch. And yeah, and why is the Pogue, I guess, so significant? Was it was one of the first watches worn by the astronaut Pogue. His personal watch, and then it took it to space. So there's a bit of debate on whose watch went to space first. Some argue that the Pogue was the first to go up there, was it the Speedy, etc, etc. But yeah, it has some really cool heritage about it. But yeah, from an aesthetical purpose, I just love the color burst. I was going quite back and forth with the Panda, and there was also the limited edition Athletics edition, which had like a lavender face. But yeah, the yellow with the Pepsi bezel really sang out to me, and I think it just looks lovely in person. And yeah, and that's pretty much the unboxing of the watch. I thought I'd just show you some of the cool stuff that came with the watch as well. I wasn't expecting these. So with the Seiko watch, you got a Seiko notepad, which is cool. Just a plain old notepad that you can use to write down some notes. To write down your notes, you have a Seiko pen, a very nice solid pen as well that came with it. You also have another cleaning cloth that looks like another microfiber cloth. Use it for your watch or some glasses or whatnot. And you got a lanyard or a keychain as well to, I don't know, put your keys on or whatnot. And that was really cool, some extras that I wasn't expecting. And of course, the watch itself, which is really cool. It's not too chunky as well, which is one of the big things when I was looking for it. On wrist, the watch itself only costs about 1.3k NZD, which is about maybe half for USD, about 650 or something like that. So it's pretty inexpensive for what you get. It is in an automatic movement, which I guess is one of the reasons why the price point can be kept so low. But that solar movement is quite nice. So yeah, that's the watch. Let me know down below if you want to see any of my other watches, if you have any questions particularly about this watch or any other watches, if I should do a watch collection video. That would be kind of cool. But as always, I'm one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.